You'll find Bedfords everywhere. Wherever people live, wherever people work, the chances are great that you'll find a Bedford somewhere in their background. In commerce, building and industry, they're part of our way of life, specialized for fetching and carrying the goods and services needed by a nation on the move. Bedford vans, trucks and buses are an integral part of any distribution system that relies on automotive capability. One of the reasons for this is that Bedfords have been made for over 40 years. Another is that Bedfords thrive on doing the hard, slogging, unglamorous kind of jobs that make life so much more bearable for people everywhere. They're low on initial cost and famed for economy of operation and reliability. And of course, there's the fact that Bedfords are backed by a worldwide service operation. The Bedford range responds to the world of today. It's been developed through the years and has been progressively improved so that it's in touch with the needs of the time, because the Bedford designers are themselves fully aware of the needs of modern vehicle and fleet operators. And all of this expertise shows in the Bedford lineup for '73. Improvements have been made to the full model range, from light vans to trucks and buses. Some of these changes are designed to satisfy immediate or proposed United Kingdom and international legislation for commercial vehicles. This is particularly true of the legislation concerning noise and exhaust emission control. Some of the new Bedford developments are concerned with detail changes in power units and ancillary equipment to make vehicles run smoother, quieter, and cleaner. These changes are difficult to see, but their efficiency is unquestioned, and the effects are evident. A major introduction on the power unit scene is the 466 cubic inch 6-cylinder Mark II diesel engine, which features improved durability in terms of reduced oil consumption, better oil control, and less piston ring wear. The cylinder bores on this engine are specially honed to give the optimum degree of smoothness, and it will be available in 3 versions: 116 brake horsepower, 133 brake horsepower, and 136 brake horsepower. The 116 brake horsepower engine will replace the 381 cubic inch engine formerly fitted in KG Bedfords. The 133 brake horsepower version will be fitted to KH and KM Bedfords. The 136 brake horsepower version will be used for bus and coach chassis, including the new beefy YRT PSV chassis. This is a completely new design of chassis which features easy body mounting, big brakes, power steering, and air-assisted clutch operation. Major improvements have also been made in Bedford forward control cab layouts, trim, and equipment. These are designed to give greater driver comfort and convenience. A completely new form-fitting driver's seat with 4-way adjustment, plus rake-adjustable back, provides more driver space and comfort. The facing trim panels on the seat and squab are now finished in perforated PVC. This material is also used on the single rake-adjustable passenger seat and on the optional 2-man passenger seat. Another new innovation which has driver comfort very much in mind is the increased thigh and knee room space between the seat and the steering wheel. The instrument panel has also been revised on TK, KM and M-type Bedfords to give drivers more usable information and to allow for the fitment of a tachograph instead of the large speedometer. All forward control models will have revised controls with a new column canopy and fingertip switches. Interior trim is also improved, and the doors have new anti-burst locks with push-button exterior handles. New Bedford models for '73 include a short wheelbase tipper for operation at 16 tons gross vehicle weight and a half-ton panel van. The tipper has a 148-inch wheelbase. Its general construction is similar to the KMS tippers, and it slots into the range between the 132-inch and the 158-inch models. The new panel van is rated at 10 hundredweight, and it replaces the 800 weight van. Changes include uprated springs and shock absorbers, new axle shaft bearings, and stronger axle tube walls. Engine power has been increased to 48.8 brake horsepower at 5,100 RPM. Reinforced radial tyres are standard. Coincident with these changes, other improvements have been made to the existing Bedford light van range. The new, stronger rear axle is fitted to both light vans. On the 1256cc engine, the clutch will be 7 1/4 inches, although engine output is unchanged. TJ Bedfords will all have, as standard, a heavy-duty 13-inch clutch on the 330 diesel model. 3-piece wheels are to be fitted to all TJ models. These new improvements in the Bedford range for 1973, together with those other recent developments such as higher rated front axles, increased gross plated weights, improved braking and suspension systems that have occurred under Bedford's policy of constant progressive improvement, are all designed to provide the operator of Bedford vehicles with a reliable working tool that's custom built for today. In the Bedford range, there's a vehicle to suit every load and every road. Each model style complies with or surpasses current and foreseeable government legislation, as well as being a profitable platform for their owners. The latest Bedfords are here, developed and proven on Europe's most up-to-date proving grounds, and backed by a replacement parts service that's second to none. Like their forerunners, you'll soon see them everywhere.